Namaste guys. Today I'm going to share 10 tips no one really tells you before going to trek in Nepal. If you are planning your dream trek in Nepal, watch till the end. These small things can make a big difference. Let's go. Tip number 1. Domestic flights are tricky. Most people fly to Lukla for the Everest Base Camp trek or to Jomsum for Upper Mustang and Annapurna Circuit. But here is what many don't tell you. Flights often got delayed or even cancelled due to bad weather. So always keep at least 1 to 2 buffer days in your plan, especially for your return to Kathmandu and your flight back home. Tip number 2. Slow is smart. The higher you go, the slower you should walk. Altitude sickness is real, and rushing can ruin your whole trek. Take your time, enjoy the view, and always listen to your body. Tip number 3. Bathrooms be ready. Okay, real talk. Most tea house bathrooms are very basic. Sometimes there's no flush and sometimes the toilet is outside. And the toilet paper? You will need to bring your own. So pack wet wipes, tissues, and hand sanitizer. Trust me, you will thank yourself later. Tip number 4. Money matters. Most trekking areas have no ATMs, and cards are rarely accepted. Always carry enough Nepalese rupees for the entire trek. Also, everything gets more expensive the higher you go, from snacks to Wi-Fi. Tip number 5. It's colder than you think. Even in spring or autumn, nights can get freezing cold, especially above 4,000 meters. Bring thermal layers, gloves, a warm hat, and the good sleeping bag. Tip number 6. Diamox is helpful. Talk to your doctor about Diamox, a medicine that helps prevent altitude sickness. It's not a magic pill, but it can really help with acclimatization. Tip number 7. Train before you trek. You don't need to be a pro athlete, but some training helps a lot. Start hiking, stairs climbing, or walking with a backpack at least few months before your trek. Tip number 8. Hydration is your best friend. Drink lots of water, even you don't feel thirsty. Always check your pee and it's clear. Staying hydrated helps prevent altitude sickness and keeps your energy levels up. Tip number 9. Pack light but smart. Don't bring your whole house. Pack only what you really need. But don't forget sunscreen, lip balm, a power bank and hair lamp. Those are must-haves. Tip number 10. Wi-Fi and charging aren't free. Yep, Wi-Fi and charging are usually not free. You can buy Wi-Fi at tea houses or use a local SIM card that works in many areas. That's it, my friends. 10 things no one tells you but you really should know before trekking in Nepal. If this video helped you, give it thumbs up, subscribe to Sali Trekking, and feel free to leave your question in the comments. See you in the next video and happy trekking.